Hello and welcome to how to play Jingle Bells on the guitar in under 2 minutes. We're going to start by grabbing the guitar and putting it on our right leg where the curve right there rests gently on our right leg. You can take your thumb and we're only going to need the first 2 strings, which in this case are the high E string and the second string is the B string. From there, we're going to only use a few of our fingers. We can put 0 fingers on and pluck the string like that. Or we can put 1 finger on, 2, or 3. And Jingle Bells won't use the 4th finger. Let's start at line 1. It starts like this. 0, 0, 0. And the arrow means to hold it for an extra beat. There's 0, 0, 0 again. And now 0, 3. The 1 goes on the second string, and then a 3 on the second string, and then open 0 on the first string for 2, 3, 4. We've got a little bit of extra time, so let's take a look at line 2. It's going to start with 1 on the first string, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and the little notes mean quick. Now 3 on the B string, 0, and then 3 again on the B string, and then 3 on the first string. For more of the easiest way to start playing songs on your own from home, come take a look at my virtual courses at exactnotes.com.